Hey you there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Ka Safar 0.7. How are you doing all my dear friends? I hope that you all will be doing well and you all will be fit and fine. So in today's video I'm going to talk about how to build confidence. My dear friends, confidence matters a lot. In any field, if you are not confident, you will not be able to represent yourself in a proper way, in a right way. Only due to having lack of confidence, you will not be able to represent yourself in a better way, or you won't be able to grab and achieve all the things perfectly due to having lack of confidence. Because at some time what happens, we know about the things very well, but when it comes to talk about that particular thing, or when it comes to represent about that thing, at that time we are unable to represent that thing, only because of having lack of confidence. So now here the problem is that how to build confidence, and how to face the people or problem confidently without any fear, hesitation. Yeah, this is, maybe you would be thinking like how to overcome from fear or hesitation. So don't be worried, just we continue in this video and watch this video till the end, because in this video I will tell you, my dear friends, how to get rid of fear, hesitation, or how to be confident while talking with anyone fluently and confidently. Yeah, I can say, initially when I had started my speaking journey, at that time I had really very lack of confidence. I was not able to speak in front of the camera, or I was not able to face the people, because whenever I used to talk in front of the people, I used to fumble a lot. I used to get stuck, no words were coming in my mind like what to speak. But right now you can see, like, I'm able to make the videos, or also I'm interacting with people, or I'm making the videos every day. So yeah, this thing became very easy for me to face the people. I do not get afraid, or I don't be feel hesitation. So yeah, how this thing became possible. So I'll be telling you, my dear friends, how you can also be confident while talking with anyone fluently and confidently. So I believe that for building confidence we will have to practice a lot. Yes, in my opinion I would suggest that practice is the only way, with the help of we can build our confidence. And another thing is that we will have to have more and more knowledge. If we are in any field, in that field we will have to have more and more knowledge. For example, we want to learn and speak this language, so we will have to grab more and more knowledge. We will have to enhance our the vocab powers, sentences, phrases, so that if there is any kind of situation problems, so that we can easily handle them. If you will have confidence, if you will have more and more knowledge, then definitely I'm 100% sure that there will be no any kind of confusion, fear, or hesitation. You will be fully confident while talking with anyone about any kind of things, because you have very well knowledge about English, about grammar, about this and that thing. So I would suggest that you try to have more and more knowledge about English if you want to be fluent in English. And after that, and do everyday practice of speaking, because practice is the only way through that we can build our confidence. If you have fear of talking in front of the camera, you will have to face the camera every day. Yes, nothing happens overnight. For that we will have to practice, we will have to put efforts, do a struggle, do hard work, and then one day we will get to see the results. If you will see, if you will think that I'm gonna just be confident within 1 days or 2 days, then this is not going to happen with you in your life. Because nothing is shortcut, or nothing is easy. If you are only just thinking, if you will not take any kind of action, you will not be able to make the thing easily. So if you have the fear of talking in front of the camera, just face the camera every day. If you have fear talking in front of the people, start talking to the people. Don't be worried about your mistakes. Sometimes what happens, we have knowledge, we know like how to talk, how to communicate, but there is the problem only is that like here the problem is that we are not fully confident from our inside our body, like we are not confident mentally. Like we think about our mistakes, like if I'll make any kind of mistakes, then others, they are going to be laugh at me, they will make fun of me. If you will ignore these all kind of things, then I'm sure there will be no any kind of fear, hesitation or fumbleness. You will be able to represent yourself fluently and confidently. So follow these things, sure you will get to see changes in yourself. Thanks for watching. If you got informative, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a good day.